Sometimes all you need is 30 minutes to an hour to just power clean the house and get everything back in order. Our house has been looking pretty rough, so I needed to take 30 minutes to an hour and just power clean this house. I got the sheets washed the other day, so I did not need to do that, but the downstairs was looking rough. The cabinets had splattered whatever all over them, so I needed to wipe those down. First thing I always do is get a load of laundry going. It always just motivates me and gets me up and moving because I'll be honest, I did not feel like cleaning at all. So I'm like, okay, just go get the laundry going and get going. Just don't even think about it. Once I get up and start moving, I'm in the groove of cleaning, and then I almost can't stop. I want to just keep cleaning everything. Cleaning in general just does something for my mood. I don't know if it's getting the house back in order and it feeling tidy and put together, or if it is I'm up moving. By the end of it, I'm usually sweating, so it's like a slight workout, but I absolutely love it. And I love like a 30 minute to an hour power clean even more. I tell myself, okay, you've got 30 minutes to an hour, go as fast as you can and get as much done as you can. So that's exactly what I did this morning. So join me as I power clean the heck out of this house and get everything back in order, especially the kitchen.
You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier than fighting, but I know I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier than fighting, but I know you're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. You're struggling to see what I'm doing. Did I take a bullet for you? It's easier to let go, but I won't. I need you here, need you right now. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier to let go, but I won't. You're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. Take it all the time, I need to wrap my head around you. Cause God knows I want ya. You're taking everything for me, you don't even know. You're so inside the agony. You stop for a second, breathe. I'll turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. Go on, hurt me, I say na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight.
We were totally behind on laundry. We just got back from a little trip, so the laundry was completely backed up. So I'm trying to catch up on all that. Once I get all the laundry cleaned, dried, and put away, the house also just feels in order, and I feel like I've got my life together. The weather has been perfect around here. Mid-70s. It's been nice and cool and crisp. So I've been opening up the windows, airing out the house, and it just feels like fall. Fall is my favorite season by far. I love it. It gets me in the mood to clean, get new candles, light them, have cozy fires, and, sweaters, jeans, all the things. It's just my favorite season ever. I love summer, don't get me wrong. I love the flowers and being outside, but there's just something about the coziness of fall. I am loving these hydrangeas, though. They are so gorgeous, and it is so amazing how I can just go outside and cut fresh ones twice a week or whenever they start to look dull, and it's free. It's awesome. So I highly recommend planting one of these for yourself. Thank you so much for joining me today as I got the house, mainly the kitchen, back in order and feeling clean. Not just picked up, but actually clean. This is the laundry detergent that I use. I just got a shipment and I get it off of Amazon because it's cheaper. I don't actually know where else you would buy this at. But anyways, I get this on Amazon and I just refill it in this glass jar and that's all. I hope you guys have a great Sunday.